In this beautiful day, with our ear to ear smile, let's learn something new. My dear learners, once pastry board, rolling pin, pliers, griddle were telling one another that I'm the best. Then suddenly, pressure cooker made them silent and said, you all are best in your own ways. Without any of you, how could a nice chapati be made? The rolling pin rolls the ball made of dough on pastry board. Ball is flattened or rolled, and without griddle, how could chapati be made? Of course, with the help of pliers, one's hands don't get burned while making chapati. So, you all are best in your own way. Pressure cookers, this note made pastry board, rolling pin, pliers, griddle, befriended once again. My dear learners, today from your Environmental Studies book, we are going to do chapter 12 named Work We Do. So, here we go. Now, look carefully at the picture and tell me what work is being done by different people. Come on, tell me. Yes, children running towards school. Very good. 4 people working on construction of a building. Yes. Tell me more. Very good. A woman going towards post office. A man selling tea at the tea stall. Some kids playing under the tree. A doctor is going towards hospital. A vendor selling watermelons. Very good, my dear learners. Now, it's time to look at the buildings that are shown in this picture and what work is done in these buildings. Tell me this also. Yes, hospital. Now, tell me what work is done here. Very good. Treatment of patients, vaccination of children. Here we have, yes, post office. Collect and deliver letters from and to people respectively. Yes. Here we have hotel. Provision of food and stay facilities. And look here. Yes, here we have school. Very good. Educate the students. And here, yes, we have bank here. What work is done here? Absolutely. Fund-related activities, withdrawal and deposit of money. Very good. Here we have another question for you. Tell me, what do they call? Repairs cars and scooters. Yes, mechanic. Sees and cures the patients. Absolutely right. Doctor. Educates students. Yes, teacher. Sells milk. Absolutely right. Milkman. Runs a shop. Very good. Shopkeeper. Sells fruits on the push cart. Absolutely correct. Fruit seller. Hey, my little learners, it's time to look at this picture. Look at this picture carefully and tell me, are there any children in the picture who are not going to school? What are they doing? Tell me. Yes, there are children who are not going to school in this picture. One of them is serving tea at the tea stall. Some children are playing under the tree. Dear children, here we have Dipali, who is also one such girl who does not go to school. Let us know about her. Dipali is the eldest child in her family. Her father sells vegetables. He leaves for the mandi very early in the morning. Her mother washes utensils in some houses. She also leaves for work early in the morning. Dipali cooks food for her brothers and sisters. She cleans the house and also washes the utensils. She is very fond of listening to the radio. She listens to songs, while she works. After finishing the work at home, she goes to leave her brother with their father. She then takes her younger sisters, Suman and Sheila, to school. After that, Dipali helps her mother in her work. In the afternoon, she brings her brother and sisters back home. In the evening, she plays with the other children in the neighborhood. Her mother comes back home late in the evening. Dipali helps her mother cook dinner for the family. Her father comes home very late at night. At night, Dipali loves to lie in bed and read her sister's school books. She has studied up to class 3. 3 years back, when her little brother was born, she had to stay back home to take care of him. She could not study anymore. She feels that reading books helps her to relax. Now, she is back to the school and goes regularly. Now tell me, what work does Dipali do in her own house? Yes, Dipali cleans house, washes utensils, very good, cooks food for her brothers and sisters, takes her sisters to school, listens to radio and takes her brother to their father, very good. Okay, do you also do household work? Tell me. Okay, some of you are telling yes and some of you are telling no. So, those who are saying yes, tell me what type of work are you doing at your home? Okay, you are helping your mother in arranging things. Very good. Sometimes you also chop vegetables. Okay, my dear learners, but be careful while chopping the vegetables. Children, it is always good to help elders at home, but there are some children who absolutely leave studies for one or the other reason. Here I want to tell you about the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009. It is an act of the Parliament of India enacted on 4 August 2009, which describes the modalities of the importance of free and compulsory education for children between the age of 6 to 14 years in India under Article 21A of the Indian Constitution. So, my dear children, do use your right. Come to learn and go to serve. After talking about children, it's time to talk of your family members. So tell me, which of your family members do household work? What work do they do? Mother, okay, keeps home tidy, cooks food, very good. Grandmother gives instruction to the maid so that she cleans home well. Father helps mother in arranging things, very good. Now tell me, which of your family members do work but do not get money for it? Okay, mother, grandmother. Okay, very good. Okay, they do all the work at home but don't get paid for it. Very good. Tick, tick, tick. What is this? Yes, this is a clock which tells us to be punctual. So here, do make a clock in your notebook and tell at what time do you do the following activities like wake up in the morning, go to school, return from school, sit down to study at home, go to play, sleep at night. So, do show these activities in your notebook with a yes, tick, tick, tick clock. Now, answer these also. If you have to mend your shoes, whom do you go for it? Tell me. Yes, cobbler. Very good. If you want to get your haircut done, whom do you go to? Think and tell. Yes, barber. If you have to stitch new clothes for yourself, whom do you go to? Absolutely right, tailor. If you are sick for treatment, whom do you go to? Absolutely right. Doctor, very good. You are traveling in a bus. From whom do you get the ticket? Yes, conductor. So, my dear learners, these are the different works that we do. What is your work right now? Yes, your work is to learn, learn, and learn. So, keep learning, keep going, stay always happy and healthy. Bye bye.